Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join TikTok Creator Funds. It's really simple and easy. Open up the TikTok application, tap on your profile picture and tap on these three bars in the top right corner. So here you have to tap on this Creator Tools. Now scroll down and you will see a tab of Creators next. You will see some of options. Firstly, it will show you some different options and these all different options have different requirements. Let's suppose if you open this video gifts, you will find this enable option. If I enable it, you will find that you have at least 1000 followers to enable it, and videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts and have an account that's been active for it for at least 30 days and other requirements. If you meet these requirements, you can simply click on turn on gifts. If you open TikTok shop for creator, if you meet all these requirements like 1000 followers and plus 18 years old, then simply click on apply from here. So these are also some of options here. You can open one by one and you can see whether you are eligible or not. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.